The Whispered Wishes of Windy Willows. The village of Windy Willows lay nestled between rolling hills, with its stone houses, cobblestone streets, and the gentle whisper of the wind playing through the willows for which it was named. The villagers, however, were known less for the beauty of their homes and more for the warmth of their hearts. Emma was a young girl with sparkling blue eyes and a laugh that was as infectious as the town's spirit of camaraderie. She lived with her grandmother, Mrs. Moira, in a small cottage at the edge of the village. Their home was marked by a tall willow tree, its leaves always rustling with stories. One chilly morning, as autumn painted the leaves in hues of gold and crimson, Emma found a frail bird beneath the willow. Its wing was hurt, rendering it unable to take flight. Emma, with her heart of gold, took the bird in, naming it Whistle. She cared for Whistle, feeding it, singing to it, and most importantly, providing the love it needed. News of her act of kindness spread through the village. Neighbors started visiting, bringing in food, twigs, and soft cloths to create a comfortable nest for the bird. Young kids would sit around Emma as she narrated tales of Whistle's adventures, eagerly waiting for the day it would fly again. Weeks turned into months, and under Emma's care, Whistle began to heal. It was during this time that something magical happened. As people gathered at Emma's home, they began sharing their own stories of kindness. Mr. Donovan spoke of the time he helped mend a stranger's broken cart, and Mrs. Fletcher reminisced about the winter she knitted scarves for every child in Windy Willows. The spirit of compassion grew stronger. The village, already close-knit, became a tapestry of shared experiences and acts of benevolence. Differences were settled with understanding, and help was always at hand for those in need. Finally, spring arrived, bringing with it new life and hope. The day everyone had been waiting for came. Whistle, with its healed wing, was ready to soar the skies. The entire village gathered around the willow tree, their faces beaming with anticipation. Emma gently held Whistle, whispered words of love, and let it go. The bird took a moment, flapped its wings, and rose, dancing with the wind, free and unburdened. The village cheered, tears of joy flowing freely. It wasn't just the recovery of a bird, it was the celebration of a community bound by acts of kindness. As years went by, the story of Whistle became legendary. But more than the bird, it was a testament to Windy Willows and its inhabitants, who believed in the power of kindness, showing the world that even the simplest act of compassion could create ripples, binding hearts and souls.